Assalamu alaikum, myself Azad from Review Junkie. How are you guys doing today? Well guys, today I'll be unboxing Mystery Tobacco's Cologne by Carolina Herrera. This one is exclusive Tabac by Maison Hambra. Okay, and it's a really good dupe for Carolina Herrera Mystery Tobacco. So let's unbox it and see what we get inside. I bought it in Pakistan. It's around, I would say, under 5K, but definitely worth checking it out. So the box comes out like that, and there you go. Mystery Tabac by Maison Hambra. I mean, exclusive Tabac by Maison Hambra, which is a clone of, or dupe of, Carolina Herrera Mystery Tobacco. The entire review will be on my channel, so subscribe.